Hey everyone, it's CVR here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a username detector in Rec Room. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when my latest video comes out. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so once you're in the room where you want to make your username detector, you're going to get out your maker pen, click Create, click Open Palette, click Gadgets, Circuits V2 Gadgets, and button V2. Spawn it in. Then go to Circuits V2, search chips, and search for a variable string. Right there. Spawn it in right here. Configure the string input right here. And you're going to enter here whatever username you want it to figure out to sense for. I'm just going to use my own username as an example. Like that. Once it's right there, it should be right here after you enter it. You're going to wire the pressed execution on the button to the execution on the variable string. Next, you're going to go back to Create, Open Palette, Circuits V2, Search Chips, and search for a Get Player. Once you search up that, you should have the Get Player by account name right here. You're going to spawn that in right here. And now wire the string input on the string name input on the Get Player by account name to the string output on the variable string. Just like that. Next, you're going to go back to Circuits V2, search chips, and search for a equals chip. Spawn that in. Just right there. And go back into the search, Circuits V2, search chips, and search for an if chip. Get that out and spawn it right here. There. Once you got all those chips out, you're going to wire the Get Player by account name player output to the B on the equals. Then you're going to go back to the button and the player output right next to the pressed execution, wire that to the A on the equals. Just like that. Then wire the equals boolean on the equals to the condition boolean on the if. Just like that. And then for the last step for your username detector, wire the released execution on the button to the execution on the if chip. And there you go. You got a username detector. So these then and else, when someone pushes this button, it checks if their username is whatever they entered here. You entered there. And if it equals that username, it will do the then output. If it's not the same username, it's going to do the else input. So you can make it like, to show, here, let me show you what I mean. I'll get a sound effects for this to show you. I'll wire the then to the play, and then when I push the button, since that is my username,
blue team scores.
It plays the sound effect. Now, if, let's say, one of my friends were playing and pushed the button, they would get the else output, and they would get like a different sound or execution or something. So you can use this however you'd like to make different things happen with the username detector. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when my latest video comes out. I try to make videos at least once a week, so expect a new video next week. Bye!